In 2024, a mid-sized factory in Kentucky purchased an i20 SwitchWeld welding system. Today, we will talk to the plant manager and see how things are going. First question we asked was, did anyone have robot experience?
Zero. Zero knowledge at all. Most of our welders are actually even self-taught here or had minimal experience with some other shops. We have some experienced guys, but we also hire guys that may just, want to try welding and have thought about it. Have had zero experience with, even setting the welder. This machine just helped. It had parameters in it that it should stay between, and everything was really nice.
Were your employees worried a robot was coming in?
So a couple guys were kind of worried that we were going to replace jobs or eliminate jobs or reduce hours and such. That actually wasn't the case. Actually, once the guys seen the machine and the capabilities of it, a couple of guys really jumped in, wanted to try.
What's your guy's favorite feature on the SwitchWeld?
Moving the head around with the joystick. That is the one feature we like about your Stitch machine better, is it's got the joystick, especially for these younger guys. You can pull that tip right in where everybody wants it to get a consistent weld. And that I think was a really game changer on our end. Instead of trying to two-hand the whole thing around, they were able to fine-tune it in with the joystick on the end. Extremely simple.
How did it affect your teamwork and results?
Everybody's able to jump in, cross-train each other. They're really trying to push forward. It's kind of exciting to know what's going on. Easy to use machine, good consistent welds. We've had a couple of decent sized frame jobs that came through with tubing. Extremely nice. We were able to fill up gaps with doing the weave or the stitch welding options that are on it at certain points. And the guys are looking for not only durability for welds not breaking, but the look that we're trying to achieve for our end customer. Sometimes our MIG welding is seen in stores, Bass Pros, grocery stores, a lot of sporting goods stores. So guys are looking at, we can't have no sharp burrs or BBs on them that we tried eliminating. And the weld was just real pretty all the way across. So we were really happy with the turnout of the machine that way.
Robot versus man. How does the robot's weld compare to human weld?
Yeah, we were able to take some, 3-man operations where we would have to have 3 different guys touch a job, where now we were just using this machine on 2 different tables. We kind of made fixtures on probably the 2 tables together, but we eliminated 3 people, but 3 people's job were done at one time, and one guy did a final touch up and review at the end of some areas that were really hard to touch. So it just was kind of different that way there, but minimal training, very easy to use. It's real nice. The guys are all really happy and want to use it. That's the other thing. They actually want to use it versus do we have to use it,
This is amazing to hear. The SwitchWeld system is so easy to use that it only took 4 hours for setup and training. And remember, they had 0 prior robot experience.
We had half a day training. Skylar was in maybe 4 hours. And he actually even had to set the machine in some of that time frame too. So it went phenomenal. The guys were welding within an hour and a half of him being here. Went through several different steps, and then he was available by phone the rest of that afternoon if we needed him. And I think they had one question, and it was something minor, but otherwise, training was simple, and very well laid out.
For more information on the SwitchWeld products, contact the SwitchWeld team at 313-335-1788 or visit our website at switchweld.com.